Are you thinking about buying Sunrise by Lendio for your business? Before you make your decision, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know about it. We'll compare it to competitors so you can make an informed choice. First off, Sunrise is an accounting software that's designed to help small businesses manage their finances easily. It offers a simple, intuitive interface, but is it the best choice for you? Let's dive in. Next thing to consider, Sunrise's pricing. It offers a free version with basic features, which is great for very small businesses just starting out. However, if you want more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. The paid version can get pricey, especially compared to alternatives like QuickBooks, which also offers solid features at a similar price point. So, if you're looking for a more robust tool right out of the gate, you might want to consider QuickBooks. The third thing is its ease of use. Sunrise is incredibly user-friendly, which sets it apart from more complex accounting software. Unlike some of its competitors, it doesn't require an accounting background to use, making it perfect for entrepreneurs or small business owners who prefer simplicity. That said, if you need more customization, other tools like Xero might be a better fit for you. Next thing, Sunrise's invoicing system. It's straightforward and easy to set up, but it lacks some advanced features like recurring invoices, which tools like FreshBooks and QuickBooks offer. This could be a deal breaker if your business relies on subscription-based services. The fifth thing is its bank integration. Sunrise connects easily to your bank account to track transactions, making reconciliation a breeze. However, some users have reported occasional syncing issues, something competitors like Wave and QuickBooks generally handle better. Moving on, the sixth thing is customer support. Sunrise offers support via email and chat, but it doesn't have 24/7 phone support, unlike some other top-tier accounting software like Zoho Books or QuickBooks. This could be a downside if you need quick help during off hours. Next, the seventh thing is the reporting capabilities. Sunrise offers basic reports, but it lacks some of the deeper insights that tools like Xero or QuickBooks offer. If you're looking for detailed financial analysis, you might want to explore those options instead. The eighth thing is the tax tracking feature. Sunrise makes it easy to track your expenses, but it doesn't have the same depth when it comes to managing tax deductions compared to competitors like TaxSlayer or TurboTax. The ninth thing to know is that Sunrise offers a mobile app. The app is useful for basic tasks, but it's not as feature-rich as the apps offered by competitors like FreshBooks or QuickBooks. If you plan to do a lot of your accounting on the go, other options might be more robust. The 10th thing is the customizability. Sunrise offers limited customization options compared to competitors like Xero or QuickBooks, which let you add more personal touches to invoices and reports. This is something to consider if brand consistency is important to you. 11th thing to consider is Sunrise's scalability. It's an excellent solution for small businesses, but as your business grows, you might find it lacking in advanced features. Larger businesses may need to look at something more powerful, like QuickBooks Online or Zoho Books. And finally, the 12th thing is the free plan. Sunrise's free version is great for freelancers or very small businesses, but as your needs grow, you'll have to upgrade. Compare that to Wave, which also offers a free plan, but with more features included at no cost. In conclusion, Sunrise by Lendio is a good option for small businesses that need a simple and easy-to-use accounting solution. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or scalability, you might want to consider other options. If you want a better option with a free trial, check out our recommended solution below.